Come on now, y'all. Be for real. When I listen to T.I. Legacy, I be like, damn, you can't even be for real. Nigga, your hardest fucking op was Lil Flip. And nigga daddy was a pastor. That was your hardest op. The Clover G General. Are you serious, bro? Why you paying Scarface to try to play like you the king of the South? But the real kings of the South is probably what? Andre 3000, Lil Wayne. Bro, you can go on and on. All them niggas had better legacies and fucking careers than fucking T.I. You ain't even the best nigga from Atlanta, bro. You just not, bro. Ludacris better than fucking T.I. So pimpin' be easy, quick at your feelings, cause I'm worth a couple $100,000 and I'm worth millions. Nobody think about you, plus your beef ain't legit, so please stay off the T.I.P. of my dick.